Looking for a smarter way to manage your credit repair business? Client Dispute Manager software provides tools to help you stay organized, simplify tasks, and deliver a better experience for your clients. Our software is designed to help you manage your business processes efficiently with features that support dispute management, client communication, and more, all in one place. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 10 features of the Client Dispute Manager software, showing how they can support your business operations. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first feature is the dashboard. This can help you stay organized and get all the key information that you need upon logging into the software. So let's go ahead and do an overview of the dashboard. So this is the dashboard right here. Here you have links where you'll be able to quickly access our training and support. Down here is where you can quickly add your lead. You can add a new customer. You can search for a customer and check on the dispute status for your customers. Below that is where you can monitor your total number of customers, total number of bureau disputes, and total number of deletions. Here you can also monitor your revenue if you have your billing integrated into the software. You can quickly see an overview of your customers for each status, and a quick overview of the dispute process. And down here at the very bottom, this is where you can handle messages, internal tasks, and internal reminders. Our second feature is the digital contracts. With this feature, you'll be able to manage your contracts easily all in one screen. This way, you can make sure your contracts are complete and compliant with customizable ready-to-use contract templates, or you can add your own. So let's go ahead and do an overview of this screen. The benefits that you can get with digital contracts is that you'll be able to tailor contracts to fit your business needs, add your company information and logo to reflect professionalism, and upload and manage your own contracts directly into the software. In the digital contract screen, we have our default contract templates that you can use if you're new or if you don't have your own contract yet. Just make sure to edit or modify the contract template before you send it out to your customers. You want to go ahead and check your state law to make sure that the contract is complete and compliant. Now for those who want to build a contract from scratch or you already have your own contract, you can go ahead and add your contracts into the software. Just click on Add New Contract right here, and that's going to allow you to create a custom contract. Our third feature is the Client Auto Sign Up form and link. This allows your clients to sign up with your services independently through your website or using a direct link, freeing up your time for other business tasks. So let's go ahead and do an overview of these features. You can find the Client Auto Sign Up lead form and the Client Auto Sign Up link under Company, and if from the drop down, just click on Client Auto Sign Up. Once you get to the Client Auto Sign Up screen, this is where you'll find the Client Auto Sign Up lead form and the Client Auto Sign Up link. So what are the benefits of these features? This can automate client onboarding to save you time. The form has a simple and user-friendly design so you can easily set it up on your website. And the link can be added to your marketing materials or sent directly to your customers. The Client Auto Sign Up lead form works by allowing you to add your contracts to the form, and then when you add the form to your website, your customers can just choose which contract they want to sign up with and submit their information so they get added to the software automatically, and the software can send them the contract so they can go through the Client Auto Sign Up. Now for the Client Auto Sign Up link, you can go ahead and generate a unique link for each of your contracts. Now when your customers click on the link, they're going to go through a form so they can submit their information, which is added to the software. After that, they can start signing your contract and going through the Client Auto Sign Up process. Our fourth feature is the Credit Analysis and Analyzer. This will save you time by simplifying credit report audits and deliver actionable insights of your customer's credit report quickly and efficiently. You can also send these reports to your customers to get them prepared for your interview with them about their credit report. In the software, you can find the Credit Analysis and Analyzer feature from the main menu. Just click on Credit Analysis/Analyzer. Now it's very simple to build these audits. All you need to do is just click on this green button so you can choose which audit you want to build, if it's a credit analysis or a credit analyzer. After that, you want to import your customer's credit report, so just select your customer and then do a quick import. Now once the software is done importing, the customer's audits will be available down here at the bottom. This is where you can access the credit analysis and the credit analyzer. You can go ahead and preview the report, email it to your customer, and download if you want to download a PDF. You also have the option to modify the credit analysis template and the credit analyzer template. So what is the credit analysis and analyzer? The credit analysis highlights the key information on the credit report for you and your customer. It also provides your clients with clear strategies to improve their scores. The Credit Analyzer identifies inconsistent or negative accounts quickly and accurately without needing to do it manually, and share professional, detailed reports with clients to keep them informed and engaged. Our fifth feature is the Dispute Manager screen. This allows you to generate precise dispute letters, have the ability to customize default letters, or add your own letters directly into the software. It would also help you simplify the task of tracking your dispute round and be able to easily check for updates and results. In the software, the Dispute Manager screen can be found from the main menu. Just click on Dispute Manager and then click on Dispute Manager. So let's go ahead and do a quick overview of the Dispute Manager screen. First, we have the Import Report tab. This is where you can import your customer's credit report directly into the software. Next, we have the Add Item tab. After you import your customer's credit report, this is where all the negative items and inquiries are added into the software. And this is also where you initiate the dispute process. To do that, you just simply need to put the items on the In Dispute status for you to be able to start creating disputes. Next, we have the Bureaus tab. After you put the negative items and inquiries on the In Dispute status under the Add Item screen, if you want to go ahead and manually create a dispute for the credit bureaus, this is where you're going to go to create the disputes. Now, it's very easy to manually create a dispute. First, you want to go ahead and select the item that you're going to dispute under Furnisher. Next, you want to go ahead and choose a dispute reason and dispute instructions for the item that you're working on. And then lastly, you want to go ahead and choose a dispute letter, whether you use the letters that we have in the software or you can use your own manual letter. Once you're done with that, just add your dispute. And then once you're good with your disputes, just click on Send to Print for you to be able to print out your dispute letters. Next, we also have the Creditors tab. So same as the Bureaus tab, this is where you can manually create disputes for the creditors. Next, we have the Collectors tab. This is where you can manually create dispute letters for the collectors. Next, you have the Respond tab. This is where you're going to go if you want to go ahead and create a respond letter to respond to the updates that you or your customers receive. Next, we have the Tracking tab. This is where the dispute rounds that you created are being tracked. And this is also where you check for updates and results. And then lastly, we have the Results tab, which is where you update or keep track of the results. Our sixth feature is the AI Rewriter. This will help you rewrite our default dispute letter templates in the software to get a different version of that letter each time. This ensures that each of your customers' dispute letters are unique without the need to manually modify the letter template directly. In the software, you can find the AI Rewriter feature on the Dispute Manager screen, and you're going to have access to this feature when you manually create your disputes for the bureaus, creditors, collectors, and respond. Now, using the AI Rewriter feature is very simple. Just go through the process of manually creating your dispute, selecting the item that you're disputing, selecting the dispute reason and dispute instructions for that item, and lastly, choosing one of our default dispute letters in the software. So let's say you want to go ahead and use this letter right here. After selecting your letter, all you need to do is just click on the AI Rewriter, and the AI would go ahead and create a different version of that letter template. Once you're good, just go ahead and click on Move to Grid. The AI Rewriter feature only works on the default letters, and it doesn't work on letters that are modified or the letters that you add into the software. Our seventh feature is the AI and Metro 2. This can help you by leveraging our AI-powered dispute engine to generate tailored dispute letters based on the category you'll choose. With this feature, you can utilize consumer law and factual-based disputes or Metro 2 compliance. Now, for you to get to the AI and Metro 2 feature, in the software, from the main menu, you can go ahead and click on Dispute Manager, and then from the drop-down, just click on Dispute Manager. Once you get to the Dispute Manager screen, you can access the AI and Metro 2 feature by clicking on this button right here. Or, from the main menu, just click on Dispute Manager, and then from the drop-down, you can go ahead and go directly to AI and Metro 2 attack letters. Now, once you get to the AI and Metro 2 screen, this is where you can access the factual and consumer law attack and the Metro 2 attack. So the factual and consumer law attacks allows you to instantly generate consumer law and factual-based dispute letters, simplifying the process. And you can go ahead and choose from dispute categories tailored to your client's needs. Now, with Metro 2 attacks, you have powerful Metro 2 compliance tools at your fingertips. With built-in Metro 2 capabilities, you can create professional dispute letters with Metro 2 codes embedded. Now, it's very easy to use the AI and Metro 2 feature. All you need to do is just choose which attack and which category you want to use, select the negative items and inquiries that you want to dispute, and click on an Execute button. Our training and resources are also available on this screen. We have our FAQs about the AI and Metro 2 feature. We have our attack workflows, which is a step-by-step guide on how to use the factual and consumer law attack and the Metro 2 attack. And lastly, we also have training videos that you can watch in case you get lost in navigation or you need a reference. Our eighth feature is the one-click print automation with LetterStream. LetterStream is a third-party online mailing system. This will help you automate your dispute letter printing and mailing process by allowing you to integrate LetterStream into the Client Dispute Manager software to use the print automation, where you can send your letters directly to LetterStream from the software so they can process, print, and mail out your letters. In the software, for you to be able to set up your one-click print automation with LetterStream, you first need to connect your LetterStream account to the software. To do that, from the main menu, just go to Company, and in front of drop-down, you want to go to Notify/Automation. Once you get to the Notify/Automation screen, just go ahead and click on the One-Click Print Automation with LetterStream tab, and this is where you connect your LetterStream account. We do have training and resources available for you to be able to know more about this. Once you're good and you've turned on this feature, you can access the one-click print automation with LetterStream under the bulk print screen. So from the main menu, just click on bulk print, and this is where you can send your letters over to LetterStream. So let's go ahead and do a quick overview of this screen. After you create your dispute letters under the Dispute Manager screen and you sent the letters to print, this is where your dispute letters would show up. From here, this is where you can select documents that you want to include to the letter that you're going to send to LetterStream. You can view your dispute letters, view the documents, edit the letter if you want to make some changes, delete the letter if you want to start over, and track the letters you sent to LetterStream. Sending your dispute letters to LetterStream is very easy. All you need to do is just select the letters that you want to send to LetterStream. After that, you just click on the Send to LetterStream button down here at the bottom. Our ninth feature is the Email Nurturing Scheduler. This is a built-in email campaign tool for your active customers. This feature automatically sends nurturing emails to keep your clients engaged, educated, and informed. With pre-designed email sequences ready to go, you can save time while still delivering value. Plus, you have the flexibility to customize or add your own emails to fit your business needs. In the software, you can find the Email Nurturing Scheduler under Company, and then from the drop-down, just go to Manage Emails. Once you get to the Manage Email screen, just scroll down and you'll find the Email Nurturing Scheduler. Now let's go ahead and do a quick overview of this feature. First, we have our training and resources. Down here, you have the option to turn on and off this Email Nurturing Scheduler, and here is where you'll find the email campaign. Now these email campaigns are ready to go, but you do have the option to create your own nurturing email if you want to add more emails to this list, or if you want to go ahead and use your own emails. For each of the emails on this feature, you can modify how many days before the email gets sent out. You can modify the email template itself, you can view the email template, and you have the on and off toggle if you want to enable or disable the email. Aside from that, for you to have full control of this Email Nurturing Scheduler, you also have the Control Individual Email Schedule. This is for you to be able to control which active customers will receive the email nurturing and which customers won't receive the email. You can turn on and off the Email Nurturing Scheduler for each of your active customers. Our 10th feature is the Fast Checker. This will help you compare your customers' previous and newly updated credit reports to check for updates, results, and new negative items to import into the software, saving you time and effort, making your dispute process more efficient. In the software, you can find the Fast Checker feature on the Dispute Manager screen under Tracking. Using the Fast Checker feature is very easy. First, you want to make sure that your customer's credit monitoring has the newly updated credit report. Once you're good with that, all you need to do is just click on this Fast Check button, and the software will go ahead and import that updated credit report and compare the old data with the new data. Once that's done, you're going to get a pop-up which would show you if there are any updates, deletions, or new negative items that you can import into the software. If you have deletions, you can go ahead and update deleted accounts so it can be moved to the results screen. On this screen, you can also find the Archive round. This is for you to archive your current dispute round after you check for updates and results to make room for the next round of dispute. You also have Resend if you want to go ahead and resend this dispute round back to the bulk print screen, and Change Follow-up Letter Due Date if you want to change how many days the software will wait until it notifies you that it's time for you to check for updates and results. And that concludes the top 10 features in the Client Dispute Manager software.